If you wonder how you can charge your SoundPeats Air 4 Pro and the charging case, so first of all, if you want to recharge these earbuds, you will have to for sure input them inside the case. And to recharge the case, you can use the USB-C cable. So I'm using actually this cable from my Samsung phone, and I can connect them right here. And also I can charge them, for example, with my phone. Take a look. And when this indicator lights up, it means that you are charging your device. So you can connect this second end of the cable into your phone, into your PC, laptop, game console, your monitor, or for example, into the charging brick. Of course, I'm unable to do this because I've got USB-C, but you can also use cables with the USB-A end. And you don't have to buy any specific charger. You can use any power adapter that you have from your phone, from your tablet, basically from any device. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.